Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the best 6 flying machines. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 6. Lift aircraft hexa. We all know that flying vehicles don't exist yet, but this lift aircraft hexa may be as close as welcome right now, despite the fact that it only has a single seat for one person in the multicopter. It's still a hybrid of a plane and a drone with the goal of transporting you wherever you want to go. It is an all-electric wingless multicopter with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. It has a motor strut assembly that looks like a web of 6 inward-pointing sectors, 12 outer and 6 inter electrically powered propellers, for a total of 18 propellers. If you want to own one, the price would be around $495,000, but they have great benefits that allow you to return it, sell it, or use it for your own personal use. Five. Hoverbike S3. If you've ever wanted to ride your bike all the way to the sky, this is your opportunity. The Hoverbike Scorpion 3 by Hoversurf is the first bike that can fly, and it will be utilized by the Dubai Police Force. For this model, you do not need a pilot or aircraft license, so you can simply hop on and start flying. It has a hover capacity of around 93 inches above the ground and can reach a speed of 60 miles per hour. The frame is made of various types of carbon fiber, which means that not only is this bike durable, but it's also quite light, weighing just over 250 pounds. Four. Gravity Jet Suit. This jetpack, also known as the Mk2, has 2 miniature jet engines on each arm and a fifth on the back, giving the user complete control over the direction the jetpack is going. The suit generates around 317 pounds of thrust and 1050 brake horsepower while carrying 5.35 gallons of jet fuel, allowing it to propel a person weighing less than 200 pounds for about 4 minutes. The more recent version of this jet suit, the Mk3, has already set a Guinness World Record with a top speed of 85.5 miles per hour and is expected to provide more flight time. Each of the jet suits costs $440,000, but they all stay at a gravity facility where owners can fly their jet suits. 3. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is designed to be the first consumer production model. It was completed in late spring of 2020 and is currently undergoing flight testing. The aircraft itself weighs roughly 190 pounds due to the aluminum space frame and Formula 1 race car-inspired carbon fiber composite safety cell. So, they developed the vehicle capable of flying to ensure that the Jetson 1 is as safe as possible. Even if one of its 8 electric motors fails, it has a triple redundant flight computer, hands-free hover, and emergency functions, and will be delivered as a partially assembled kit for home assembly. 2. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Corporation, funded by Larry Page, one of Google's co-founders, has decided to build a flyer that can take off and land vertically. It uses 10 electric motors for vertical propellers and weighs 250 pounds. It can reach a maximum altitude of 10 feet and a cruise speed of 20 miles per hour because it is all electric. Flight time varies between 12 and 20 minutes before the vehicle shuts down and must be recharged. It's designed to fit only one person inside who will also command the vehicle. It's an incredible vehicle that we love to have. Unfortunately, the project was terminated after 5 years of hard work. We hope they recognize the potential of this flyer and revisit it. One. Lazarus LMV 496. Flying motorcycles are undoubtedly the future, and French automaker Lazarus appears to recognize this. The bike is smart, sleek, and futuristic, and is black and red with turbines that allow it to take flight on the sides, allowing it to fly up to several feet above the ground. It's also a limited edition, with just 5 of these motorcycles produced. Each LMV 496 costs $560,000, which is more than $500,000. The bike was designed for ease of handling and is also an electric motorcycle capable of reaching speeds of 62 miles per hour. It is capable of both flying and riding on the ground thanks to the 2 different modes available on it. We do wish they had more than 5 available for purchase, but again, very few people have $500,000 to spend on a flying bike. Thanks for watching.